So I'm gonna do my little room tour like I'm a YouTube blogger. But you got closets. It's a really nice room. You got some shit down there. This clothes. You got a full length mirror. Got that space, and you got more drawers. There's also the, ooh, this is nice. You got, excuse my breath because I just walked up 6 flights of stairs, so I'm breathing a little hard. That's cute. Nice shower. I feel like it's fancy. I like it. It's a lot of space, especially right here by the couch. A lot of space. A lot of space. Got all that good stuff. You got plugs. You got a C outlet. More plugs. Big old bed. TV. And got a balcony. I don't feel like going out there right now.